Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I want a giveaway. And it was put into an Eyescream Beauty Box, and I'm excited to get into it. I cut it open, it's very heavy, but I have not peeked. And I won this giveaway from Jason, and Jason's channel is Fossy Bear, and I will put him below, and you can win a giveaway from me because I want a giveaway from Jason. So Jason has a really nice channel. He is one of the most honest people I know on YouTube. He has a love of makeup, and he shows us what he does with it, and he tells us when he doesn't know what to do with things. He's very honest, and he's just a sweet person, I think. He does a lot of different unboxings, and I just really like, he's very calm and even-tempered, and I like listening to him. He has a great voice and everything. So I really like his channel, and I recently won a giveaway from him, and I did not expect to win another one, but I did. So this will be how it works. Is I will have a giveaway as well, and you need to subscribe to Jason's channel, and I'll have it below like I said, and be publicly subscribed to his channel and publicly subscribed to my channel to win my giveaway. So let's see what Jason sent me. Like I said, I cut it open, but I have not peeked inside. So inside he has it wrapped really nicely. It is stuffed. It's stuffed in here, y'all. Oh, right on top I see something I love. The Grace and Stella eye masks. I love these. These are just wonderful. I love eye masks. That's probably my favorite mask. I love to mask, and I especially love eye masks. And then we have this. I like this too. So Susan Lip Dew Moisturizing Tint Lip Salve. Lip Salve. Salve looks like salve, but it is pronounced salve. I have this, and I love this. You know, the So Susan packaging is so pretty. Look how pretty that is, y'all. I have this, and it's at my desk at work because I use it often because it's so moisturizing, and it tastes good. It's sweet tasting. So it looks like it comes up, you know, it's a balm. It looks sort of like a chapstick or something, but it's the color of this cap. And so it's really pretty, and it is very moisturizing. I really like that. It's sealed in it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it right now because we've got a lot to look at. Next we have Medusa's Makeup Witchy Liner. I don't think I've seen this before, y'all. Let's look at this. Wing It, Draw It, Stamp It. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I've not heard of this one. I have had eyeliner stamps before. Not sure if that's what this is. Oops, I ripped the packaging, of course. Let's see. Oh, I think it is a stamp. Okay, let's see. I'll just put it right into play right now. That's cute. So one side is a stamp. So there you go. Get your wing going on. And then the other side is a liner. So this is nice. Let's see. It's a nice liner. So I will start using that right away since I opened it. Thank you so much, Jason. I like that. Next we have something that, let's see, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And let me find something to open this. It is a shadow. It is a pressed pigment, it says. Let's see. Oh, it's black. All right, so that is, you know, you can use that as a base, and then a lot of your shimmers will shine more. You can use it as a liner and things like that. So that is neat to have. Let's see what else I have. Oh, he wrapped everything very nicely. This is beautiful, whatever it is, wrapped in bubble wrap. Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is by Charlotte Tilbury, y'all. This is very nice. Airbrush. I don't really necessarily use setting sprays very often, but I'll use Charlotte Tilbury. So I like that. Look at how her packaging is so elegant and beautiful. And then we have, this is wrapped up again, something wrapped up nicely. This is Formula Z So Pretty Palette. And I think there's a few different ones. I have one of these. I might even have two of these. I do have this one. It's very beautiful. Let me put this over it. There's a mirror. It's very beautiful. It has These are glitters, these two in the middle. Can you see that? Isn't that gorgeous? And that one too, the gold up here. Very beautiful. This palette I got originally in, I want to say Ipsy. And when I first got it, I was like, eh. But you know what? I used it. It's beautiful. It performs really beautifully. I was very impressed with it. And look at that pretty packaging. And then there's something from Dragon Beauty. Now, I have had Dragon Beauty before. I've had several different lipsticks, even eyeliner. I believe I've had eyeliners. Yeah, I do. I have eyeliner that I'm using right now from them. This is Transformation Face Powder. I don't think I've ever seen this before. So let's open this and see what it's about. It's beautiful packaging. Very pretty. See that design in the blue? And it's wrapped really nicely in there. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. There's the front of it. And the back is Transformation Face Powder. And let's see, oh, it has a magnet closure. That's beautiful. It has a mirror on one side. This is really pretty. Let me put this over the mirror and I'll show it to you this way. Look how pretty those are. 2 hearts and face powders. So this has, looks like a banana powder, which is great for dark circles like under eyes. And then this is like a peach color. So you can use it as a base, I'm thinking. Let's check it out. That is, yeah, that's a, this is, let's see, does it have shade names? I don't think so. This is, all right, here's the yellow one. So the yellow one is good for when you have, like to cover dark circles. So, and then this is the face powder. I would use that shade. I mean, it might be one of those that's just transparent once you put it on, because that's what it looks like on me. That's beautiful. I've never seen this before, Jason. Thank you. This is just so pretty. Very, very pretty. Thank you. I like that. And then we have another palette in here, and we have a cute little Ipsy bag. This one, it has the little stone on it there. Isn't that pretty? It's, I guess you would, well, that side's plain. This side is like the galaxy. The galaxies. This is an says Ipsy on it there, and it is a lined bag. This is a nice bag, because not all of them anymore are lined. This is a nice bag. I've had that bag before and I like it. And then we have this palette. Let's see what it is. I'm so happy that you wrapped everything so nicely. Oh, this is Shades by Shan MBY Makeup Studio, the neutral edition. This is a beautiful palette. I have seen it before. San Francisco. This is so pretty. It feels like suede. When you open it, it looks the same inside, and it is beautiful. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful neutral shades. I love it. Very pretty. These are all shimmers here, and really nice shimmers, like almost glitters. Beautiful. Thank you, Jason. I love it. I love this giveaway. Thank you so much. And I'm going to show you what you can win in your giveaway. Let me move this box over here. I didn't show addresses or anything, did I? No. Okay. I have this box filled. This is a Boxycharm box. And of course, I have sheet masks. I have a Planist face mask, an IDAZ water fit mask. This is a really nice mask. I have a lip mask, and I also have some eye masks for you. And then I have, this is a sleep mask. This is lavender, and it heats up when you open the package. And then we have some other things in here. I have a beautiful candle. This is from, it's a nice soft scent. It's Lola. It says Lola on it. It's very beautifully packaged. It's from Margot Elena. I got that from Margot Elena, a nice candle tin. I have Okalon Perfect Liquid Eyeliner. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and that comes with a brush, the spoolie and the brush. And we have a Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. and Dr. Botanical's 2 mask. This is the turmeric mask. Whoops. I have a Dragon Beauty product in here, and this is a lippy. And the reason I'm giving you this, okay, I have these products for you, and I have them opened here in front of me. This is the Badass MF, and this is a lip liner, and it is this color. And then the, where is the lippy? Had it right here. I'm a little discombobbled. What else is new? Well, maybe I don't have it out of there. Yes, I do. Here it is. It's right in front of me. I have the Zoeva. This lipstick is darker and goes really nice, in my opinion, with this lip liner. And then I have this gloss that you can, if it's too dark for you, you can put this over it. This is a nice neutral, and the packaging on the Dragon Beauty is gorgeous. Look at how pretty that is. Very beautiful. And let's see, I got things mixed up a little bit. I have a Urban Decay All-Nighter. This is a makeup setting spray. We were thinking a little bit the same there. I have Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. And I have the Creme Shop Holy Brow. That's the packaging, and then this is what it looks like. It's super cute. Look at that bow on that. And this has the eyebrow shades and a little spoolie in there, a little brush in there. And I have moved things around too much. We have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is a highlighter palette. I thought I had everything opened, but I don't have this opened. This is beautiful. Well, maybe I don't have it open because it's sealed. Okay, let's try the bottom. Sometimes when the top is sealed, you can open the bottom. This is gorgeous. Fenty Beauty. And it has a mirror on one side and these gorgeous colors. And then we have an eyeshadow palette, and this is Defiance Carmilla Cosmetics. And one side has a mirror, it has a nice magnet closure, and it's a beautiful neutral palette with some pretty shimmers in there. And that's the giveaway. So what you need to do is subscribe to me, subscribe to Jason publicly, and go to his most recent video and say hello to him, and I will check. And I know that by the time this finishes, there will be a few videos of his. So, but I will check. If you win, I will check and make sure you commented on his videos. And because you can't just go subscribe to someone, you have to watch a full video to make it stick, so to speak. And even then, I just got knocked off of somebody that I watch all the time. It happens once in a while. Thank goodness it doesn't happen as often as it used to, but it happens once in a while. So please go see him. And this will run for 2 weeks. I'll have the dates in the description. And I'm not real big on saying something because when you say the secret word, then people will scan through to look for the secret word. So we're not going to have a secret word, but I will have you say something, but I don't know what it's going to be at the moment. But anyway, I hope that you will enjoy this giveaway. I hope that you enjoyed what I won. I love everything. Thank you so much, Jason. And y'all count your blessings, and that's the word blessing. Okay, so say that in a sentence, please, not just the word below. And in my video, say hello in his video, say the word in my video, and I will run the comment picker, and hopefully you'll love what you win. And that's it, y'all. Thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. And I just look forward to seeing you all every day. And I know that all creators, we look forward to seeing you. So, you know, say hey to your creator that you love. And take care, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.